So for using the gas fireplace, you want to do a couple things. The first thing you want to do is make sure that this cord is plugged in, which it's usually plugged in right there. And that's an extension cord that's behind the TV. So you want to make sure that's plugged in. The second thing you'll do is you'll come over here to the remote control, just tap it, and you'll just press turn flame on. And you're going to hear a little beep, which means that the fireplace got the signal. And the important thing here is you need to wait about a good 5 to 10 seconds, and then the flame will come on. And there's not much more to it other than just being patient. There's just a delay from the time you tell it to turn on to the time it actually turns on. And then over here, once it's on, you can control the things like the fan speed, the flame height, thermostat, things like that. For the fan speed, the fan will not come on until the fireplace has been on for a good 8 minutes. And that's so that it can heat up and not just blow cold air. So if you hit fan and nothing comes on, that's why.